Hello, in this video I'm going to talk about the state of the CashTokens ecosystem 6 months after launch. So it's been half a year already since CashTokens activated on the main Bitcoin Cash network on May 15th. So let's take a look at what ecosystem developed in these 6 months. So I'm going to start with TokenStork. TokenStork is a CoinMarketCap-like website for cash tokens, and it currently lists 20 fungible tokens. It displays the price, circulating supply, max supply, market cap, and total value locked for these different tokens. As you can see, the biggest token by total value locked is the WOC token, then Furu tokens, followed by Doge Cash. The amounts involved are very tiny, as this is all very new. The price information and total value locked are gotten from the Cauldron DEX. So it's nice to see these ecosystem integrations where the different projects collaborate to exchange information in this nice way. And I'm expecting the TokenStork website to keep evolving, so each of these tokens can get their own individual token page. But now let's take a look at the Cauldron DEX. So you see the different tokens that's being traded on. For example, let's take the Furu token. And then it will load the swap interface. So you can swap BCH to Furu token or the other way around, your Furu tokens to BCH. And they also very recently added a price history. So currently last 7 days is selected. And then you can see the chart for trading and see the liquidity in this pool. The Cauldron DEX uses micro pools. So there's actually a bunch of pools where you can trade Furu to BCH or the other way around. And the price charts will slightly differ. So some are only started at a later date. And here you can inspect the different liquidity pools that users have provided for this token. So this is the Cauldron DEX, and it's the main place where all these fungible tokens are traded. Then I want to talk a bit more about the Furu tokens. The Furu tokens are a recent airdrop by the BCH Guru project. So here on the roadmap on November 1st, there was this Furu token airdrop to all the Guru holders. And they also talked about this on their YouTube channel on introducing Furunomics. And the Furu token will be integrated into an upcoming platform, so a price prediction application available to play with Furu tokens and scheduled for the last quarter of 2023. They made some demonstrations on their YouTube channel, BCH Guru demo canceling a crypto price prediction, BCH Guru demo making a crypto price prediction on-chain, and here a quick introduction into the BCH Guru prediction game. So these are all demonstrations of the platform they are building that should release later this year. So it will be interesting to see what this full application does to the Furu tokens and the price, for example, the total value locked, because it will be one of the biggest applications in the ecosystem. Then a project I developed together with a few other people is the Cash Ninjas project. So it's an NFT collection on Bitcoin Cash using OpenAI enhancements. So each of the Cash Ninjas actually has a unique name and a background description, like a story detailing their origin for each one. And all the tooling that we developed for this project, we open sourced. So we want to contribute as much as possible to the CashTokens ecosystem. It's very fun now to see the Cash Ninjas actually trade on TapSwap. So if you go to TapSwap, you will see a bunch of Cash Ninjas, as well as a bunch of other projects like Crypto Aliens, BitCats, Mitsuki, the Furu tokens, Zombie Coins, more Cash Ninjas, AI-generated Bitcoin art, of course, Gurus, Emerald DAO, then the Cauldron socks, which were tokens that were used during the beta of the Cauldron DEX. And on the front page, you will also see fan art, more ninjas, as well as gurus, some NFTs from Bitcoin Cash site. So yeah, TapSwap is really the home for trading NFTs on Cash tokens, and Cauldron the main place to trade fungible tokens. So both of these dexes are a great way to get an overview of the ecosystem. So you can, if you browse TapSwap, you can quickly get an overview of all the NFT projects on Cash tokens. And on Cauldron, you can see the main fungible tokens being traded. One thing I want to talk about with the Cash Ninjas project is if you go to the minting page, you will see that we used the Wallet Connect protocol. So this is supported by multiple wallets. Currently, it's supported by CashNice, Zapit, and Paytaka. So I think this is very big news to see dApps being supported by multiple wallets, and they can seamlessly interact. So any new dApp using Wallet Connect will also work with these three wallets. So this way the ecosystem can be very integrated. Users of all these different wallets will be able to use smart contract applications without having to do anything special. So the wallets made separate announcements. So this is the announcement for CashNice. Connect your wallet seamlessly to Web3 BCH apps. Thanks to the initiative and work by Pat, CashNice now supports Wallet Connect v2 standard. And then a demonstration of connecting to the Cash Ninjas dApp. Then there was also the announcement for Paytaka. Paytaka now supports Wallet Connect 2.0. As you can see here, connecting to the Cash Ninjas and signing a transaction. And they also added a map, like a merchant map, to show off the different BCH merchants in your local area. And then Zapit, with a mega update, version 0.8.10, now live on Android, iOS, and Chrome Store, also supports Wallet Connect, as well as a bunch of other features like a peer-to-peer chat feature, and they added unverified tokens. You can see here that this means we support displaying tokens not only from our registry, but also from OTR and by on-chain resolution. Go to the filters and toggle show unverified tokens. And in a symbolic move, they also dropped support for SLP, which was the old token system on Bitcoin Cash. One other thing that we saw in the NFT ecosystem, besides TapSwap keeping to develop and adding new features, was an NFT viewer. So you can see here on viewer.sploit.cash, you can browse any Cash tokens address to see the different NFT collections they hold. And it also features the recently minted ninjas as well as the recently minted BitCats. If you put in an address like I did, for example, an address and select the Cash Ninjas, then you will get a clean overview of all the Cash Ninjas this address holds. And you can inspect one of them by clicking the NFT, and then you will see all the attributes and the description, the AI generated description for this ninja called Spectral Psychic of the Dark Forest. So I hope TapSwap will also integrate with the Wallet Connect in CashNice, Zapit, and Paytaka, and will also have a feature like this. So currently this is in beta, but the main site has not merged this yet, as it only can connect with the Paytaka extension. So it will be nice if the whole ecosystem can be integrated around using this Wallet Connect protocol. Then next up is by Paytaka is the CashTokens Studio. So this is an easy way to create tokens and upload the metadata to IPFS, and also manage the reserved supply. So if you want to issue a certain part of the supply, but also keep supply reserved, so you can issue on an ongoing basis, this becomes very easy with the CashTokens Studio. And currently it only integrates also with the Paytaka extension, but I hope that we will see more use case for this Wallet Connect extension, this Wallet Connect standard. So very excited for this tooling, so it will become much easier for non-technical people to start creating their own cash tokens with metadata and an icon, and it will all be automatically uploaded to IPFS. Currently it's only on ChipNet, so you can only find it on chipnet.cashtokens.studio, but soon it will also be available on the main Bitcoin Cash network. Then next up is the new release of CashCrypt, which is important infrastructure for everything related to smart contracts on Bitcoin Cash. With version 0.9.0, there is now an advanced transaction builder that allows combining UTXO from multiple different smart contracts. So what this means is that it's now possible to create smart contract applications that use different smart contracts in one transaction. So this is an advanced feature, but also opens up a bunch of new possibilities for smart contracts developers to really create the most advanced and interesting applications possible. And then there were minor releases fleshing out some bugs. And then lastly, there was an announcement from the Stack Wallet team with version 1.8.1. Their multi-coin wallet now has Cash Fusion support. So they have the specific BCH privacy features implemented, which is lovely to see. They also announced that they are looking into adding Cash token support. So Stack Wallet would be the first multi-coin wallet with Cash token support, which would enable a lot of new users to also start Cash tokens, because not every user has a BCH specific wallet. So this is a great ecosystem integration outside of BCH. So currently there are 4 wallets. As we talked about, there is Cashanize, Zapit, Paytaka, and then also Electron Cash. And hopefully Stack Wallet will be like the 5th major wallet to also support Cash tokens. So it's interesting to see where the CashTokens ecosystem will go from here. I think we will see a more serious projects step up, not just meme coins, but which will undertake more serious, for example, like the Furu token. It will be interesting to see how building out a whole platform goes. And then I am very interested to see how the Wallet Connect features will evolve and which dApps will take advantage of it. So I hope TapSwap will also integrate into the Wallet Connect ecosystem, as well as the CashTokens Studio dApp. So that's the update, the overview for the CashTokens ecosystem after 6 months. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll keep you posted with the evolution of the CashTokens ecosystem. So thanks for watching, and see you in the next one. Bye.